Hello, welcome. My name is Joel and I'm with a company called Airfloat. We've been around for 50 years and we help people move and position heavy and difficult objects using something called an air bearing or an air caster, which we're going to take a look at today. A set of air skids can come as the set on its own, or you can purchase what we call a rigging kit, which includes the box as well as some additional hoses and spare bearings. These are great if you travel to different sites, if you do a lot of rigging or millwright type work and you want to have an easy traveling, locking, safe box to store it. This is a great option for you. These air skids are popular in almost every heavy industry where our customers are moving heavy and large objects, whether it be steel frames or heavy machines, chassis, vehicles, agriculture and aerospace assembly. Really, these air skids are massively versatile, and so if you're moving something that is heavy or cumbersome or awkward or large, make sure to reach out and we'd love to help you through your application.